Step 1. Identify a dedicated space in your home, such as a spare room, garage corner, or even a large closet. Step 2. Clean the designated area and ensure it's free from clutter and potential hazards for safety. Step 3. Invest in a good quality, affordable yoga mat for floor exercises, stretching, and warm-ups to prevent injuries. Step 4. Purchase resistance bands of varying levels. They're versatile for strength training and rehabilitation exercises. Step 5. Acquire a set of adjustable dumbbells to progressively increase weight for effective strength training sessions. Step 6. If space allows, consider a used or affordable pull-up bar that can be mounted in a doorway or on a wall. Step 7. Utilize bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks, requiring no equipment at all. Step 8. Find inexpensive cardio options, like jump ropes or running outdoors rather than costly treadmills. Step 9. Repurpose household items, such as canned goods or water bottles, as light weights for smaller muscle groups. Step 10. Create a workout schedule that includes strength, cardio, and flexibility training for a well-rounded program. Step 11. Use online resources like YouTube channels and fitness apps for free workout routines and guidance. Step 12. Set realistic goals and track your progress to stay motivated and ensure you're making improvements over time. Step 13. Ensure proper form while exercising to prevent injuries and maximize the effectiveness of each movement pattern. Step 14. Stay hydrated by keeping a water bottle nearby during your workouts to replenish lost fluids and energy. Step 15. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you get stronger to continually challenge yourself.